All right, well, good morning. Pool noodles aren't just for the pool anymore. I found some other uses you just might need in your life. So if you have a trampoline, to protect your kids from getting pinched on the springs, just cut a pool noodle into short sections, slice lengthwise, and then slide over each of the springs just like so to prevent them from getting pinched. I know I'm going to use this one for my nephews. All right, use a pool noodle as a door bumper. All you have to do is cut a small piece and no more nicking up your walls just like you see there. All right, next up, for clothes. I know, I hate this. You can put your pants on a hanger and they get those creases, right? Well, if you put a piece of that pool noodle right there, no more creases. It takes it right away. All right, so boots. Keep them rodeo ready. Use a pool noodle to keep your boots upright so you don't have those floppy ankles just like you see there in the picture. All right, finally, for anyone who likes to fish, it can make for an easy fishing rod organizer. You can use a little piece of PVC pipe on the bottom and then the pool noodle on top. You just make the little slits and you can put your rods right in so you don't have to worry about any more tangled fishing rods.